Welcome to DesiMotard. This is Navneet. This is my first video on YouTube. I hope you guys will like it. Today I am going to unbox Zoom H1 professional grade recording device. This is the box which I got from Amazon, and in this box let's see what are things included in the box. So I'll unbox it and we'll share the link as well in the description, so you guys, if you want, you can buy it. So let's see what's in the box. देखते हैं क्या है. So this is the mic. Let's keep it aside. And एक इसमें डबल ए सेल दिया हुआ है. मेरे ख्याल से ये माइक में जाएगा. ये मैनुअल है. देखते हैं इसमें क्या क्या है. With this mic you get 2 GB memory card, micro SD with case, which is good. And I think this is the handy recorder. This is the quick start guide. So we'll see what else in it. And this is the warranty, registration information, some more booklets, and some more booklets. This is in other languages. Again, this is some more information, same thing in different languages. So in total you get this mic and a cell, which is double A. So let's unpack this. This is a very professional grade mic which is used by professionals. I wanted a very good professional grade voice in my videos, in my upcoming videos on YouTube. So I purchased this device. This H1 model is the basic entry level model of Zoom. If you go to Zoom website, you will find other devices as well which are more costlier than H1. But for me, H1 is just good enough, and it is just good enough for YouTube blogging as well and recording. So, but what I miss in this box is that there is no foam cover or a dead cat, which I think I will have to buy it separately, which is not provided here. So let's unpack this cell as well and let me use it in the mic. Okay, so finally I got rid of the packing. So here it goes. The best part about this mic is it has the tripod mount hole, so you can mount it on a small tripod along with your camera, so that it won't shake. And it has a micro SD card slot here. So let's put the micro SD card. It is already provided here, so you won't have to purchase. So this is the display. This is the recording button here, and this is the USB port given. And let's power on this device. So to power on this, just slide down the button and hold for 1 second, so it will power on. And to power off, again slide down the button and hold for a second, power off. Let me power it on again. I'll show you one more thing. So in case you have set all the settings, so if you don't want to that any button gets accidentally pressed, so just put it up, so it will or put. So this is the hold button. So it will now nothing, you cannot change any settings now. Here is the line out option, here is the line in. These are the two mics, and this is, the build is quite good. I can like use it like this, and I can put the cover over this, like the foam cover and the dead cat over it. I'll use it so as to cut the wind noise, and it's quite well built. And this is the speaker grill over here. There are some more buttons over here, like low cut, auto level on off, and you want to record the audio on MP3 or wave, so you can switch between MP3 and wave from here, but I will recommend using wave only. So guys, this was all about the Zoom H1 mic. I'll go through in the depth, I'll check the manual, and if you guys want, I'll create another video of all the features in detail about this H1 mic. I hope you guys like my video, so please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and leave your comments in the comment section. प्लीज़ कमेंट्स ज़रूर करना, वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करना और लाइक ज़रूर करना. I purchased this mic because I wanted this. So let's unpack this cell as well and use it in the mic. काट देंगे, कुछ एडिटिंग में जाएगा भाई. चाकू कुछ तो दे यार, फाड़ भाई.